Yo, what's up people? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today I am in Medellin, Colombia, and I am actually here to look at a real estate project that I am thinking about investing in. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm in and out of the country real quick just to see this project, and yeah, let's check it out. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate. So you guys are going to see what it looks like and sort of you know, what the cost is down here. I'm going to tell you it's not cheap, but there are great opportunities when you start looking at real estate outside of the country. So this is going to be a video talking about purchasing real estate and investing in real estate outside of the United States. So beautiful day down here in Colombia. This happens to be one of my favorite places. It's a Sunday. Realtor's gonna meet me there. I found a realtor through word of mouth and referral. So let's go check it out. This is the master bedroom, master bathroom. So this place is nice. Let's see. You got your sinks. You got your shower. The rain. So this is looking pretty good, but before, the most important thing is the economics. So we gotta talk about the economics, but at least you guys can see it. And this is walk-in closet, like a little walk-in closet or whatever.
Es más, here there's 122 unidades acá, y nada más como 22 se acogieron al sistema hotelero. De todos modos, tú, si no te pones al sistema hotelero, tienes la... Sí.
Está más o menos en 2 a 2,5.
Ah, sí, no, quedó 4 así, porque si no, de 2,400, ahí está.
This is like the additional bedroom, has a nice little balcony off of it. We were talking about the like the price that you can earn to rent this place, see if it's a good investment. So, bathroom. So, it's the bathroom. So you can use this for classes. This is pretty cool. All right, so we just saw the first place, but one of the signs of a good realtor is that they always give you options. So one of the things, one of the options they gave me was a different apartment in an area that I know a little bit better. So we're gonna go check that out now. So far so good. So this is the second option that we're looking at for investment. It's a project called Square, and obviously they got a swimming pool. And
Puedes pasar, ven. Yo siempre me meto a todas partes. Vamos.
Cuidado. Es mojado por ahí. Oh, that's nice. Eso es muy lindo eso. Es muy lindo, ¿no? So this is like a new project. Creo que es un poco mejor este. ¿Estás haciendo YouTuber? Oh, wow. ¿Eso es Avenida Poblado?
Sí.
So check out this view. So on this place, we're not gonna be able to see the, look at the view. We're not gonna be able to see the actual apartment, but I'm gonna get some video from them. And they're gonna send me the, the video of what the apartment looks like. But the location for this one is perfect. But the other one has Airbnb and hotel services, but this one, long-term prospects on this one are excellent. So I don't know, I like this. I like this one a little bit better. All right, so something that you have to do when you go to Medellin is get some empanadas. So, empanada costs 1,600 pesos, which is in dollars, it's like about 75 cents for an empanada, which is like a beef. Everybody knows what empanadas are, right? But in Medellin, they're delicious. So I'm about to eat some empanadas real quick with some hot sauce. But if you ever come to Medellin, make sure to get some empanadas. Delicious. All right, so the second place that we saw, I think that might be the spot because the location. In real estate, they say the location, 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 right? And the location of that second spot is so perfect. I don't think you could get a more perfect location in this city than where that real estate is at. It's like a no-lose scenario. So we're gonna analyze it. I'm gonna get some video of it. So yeah, sorry for the interruption. I was distracted there for a minute because the scenery here is so awesome. But yeah, the location is so perfect that it's like a no-lose scenario. It looks like a great investment. Of course, you gotta do the numbers, and we're gonna analyze with the numbers, break it all down. They gotta send me that information. Also, they gotta send me the video, the floor plans, the time frame when everything is gonna be complete. But man, we might have just came up on the best investment project in Medellin, Colombia. So something interesting that I learned here is new cars, like new foreign cars, are just about the same price as a new foreign car in the United States. So for example, a real popular brand here is Mazda. So like you can get a brand new Mazda down here for about the same price as you can in the United States, which is very interesting. Yeah. See, Mazda 3. It's about 20 grand down here, and in the United States, it's about 20 grand. So you know, normally in some other countries, buying a new car is real expensive. Now here, the cars hold their value a lot better than in the United States. Like a used car here is almost as expensive as a new car, whereas in the States, everybody knows you can get a used car for super cheap. But yeah, so we're in an area called Poblado. It's like the best part of Medellin. I guess they call it like high class or whatever, but still relatively inexpensive and very comfortable to live in a city like this. This is the best day of the week too. Like it's Sunday, the traffic's not super terrible. The best day to be out is on a Sunday. All right, so we're here at the toy barn picking up Knowledge 2.0, the Lambo. Got some things corrected on my TPMS sensors. And there she is, looking crispy. Shout out to the toy barn for getting me together. Getting the Lambo cleaned up a little bit. It was dirty when I brought it in here. But yeah, good to go. I'm gonna go pay for her or get the keys. I don't think I have to pay for anything. But yeah, there's Knowledge. I gotta get the wrap touched up. But yeah, holla. Wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate,
click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.